Hello students, you have the one of the important notification from IIT Gandhinagar. IIT Gandhinagar is announced the admission for M.Tech, that is early admission program. So let's see what is the early admission program in IIT Gandhinagar. So in IIT Gandhinagar there are a lot of different the admissions happens for the M.Tech, like normal regular M.Tech, early admission to the M.Tech, and various other M.Tech programs too. And now the admission for early admission, that M.Tech early admission, there's early admit M.Tech program. Now the dates is mentioned. IIT Gandhinagar invites applications for B.Tech students from selected institutes. So whether your institute is in selected institute or not, you should verify with your department head or with the principal. It's early admit M.Tech program. The beginning in July 2026. The applications are started from Feb 11th and will go up to the March 25th. And the announcement of shortlisted candidates for written test or interview will be announced on April 8, and then written test or interview will be conducted during the 15th April to 14th May. So now we'll look at what is this program for. So now if you want to see the brochure, you can see that the GATE score is not mandatory for admission. Fellowship is given 15,400 per month if you have the valid GATE score. If you don't have a valid GATE score, then 6,000. Candidates can choose to appear for GATE for a boost in stipend. Okay, if you have a GATE score, then you will get an advantage. Or यहाँ पर travel support to the extent of 60,000 rupees for attending international conferences. ये भी है आपके जो program के अंदर. The selected candidates may have opportunity to complete 8th semester of B.Tech at IIT Gandhinagar as a visiting student before joining the M.Tech program. So this is another advantage of this program. Okay, so you can complete that 8th semester at IIT Gandhinagar. So eligibility criteria is a final year B.Tech students from NITs with CPI CGPA of not less than 8.0 for general and OBC, or CPI is not less than 75 for reservation SC ST OBC PWD candidates. That should be by the end of the third year. And final year B.Tech students from select colleges, that including NITs, who are among the top 5 rank holders in the departments at the end of their third year. And if you are having the SC ST PWD, the top 10 rank holders is also fine. Students from final year B.Tech or equivalent undergraduate degree in engineering from IIT is also eligible, but their CPI is not less than 6.0 by the end of their third year. Okay. So this is the criteria for the admission, right? So your institute should be in the select list. And the eligibility criteria, just now I mentioned it. In case if you have any doubt, you may check with the HOD or director of your college to see your college is included in the list of select colleges or not. Okay. If you have any other queries, admission at iitgn.ac.in, you can check eligibility also. And the program structure and curriculum is same as like regular M.Tech. So there is no difference with the regular M.Tech program too. And the fellowship, just now mentioned, 12,400 normally happens with the GATE score validity, but also there is 3,000 rupees included which has director's fellowship. So total will be the 15,400 if you have a valid GATE score. Okay. And application procedure is clearly mentioned. It should be submitted online. यहाँ पर जो पूरा submission तो online है, but तो आपको ये भी है, you need to furnish hard copy of the application form, and all the documentary evidence should be submitted at the time of interview. So you need to show the proof at the time of the interview. Incomplete applications will be rejected. While applying online, you need to upload a rank certificate issued by your HOD, head of the department of your college or university. There is no application fee. You need not send the hard copy of the application form, but take this hard copy if you are selected for interview or written test. Okay. And admission procedure is generally offered on the basis of interview. So after the selection, you will be called for written test and interview. So based on interview, you will be called, and written test may or may not be conducted. The reserved category candidates will be given due relaxation in cutoff marks as per the norms. So the mode is offline or online, and dates of written test and interview will be communicated or commenced after the application. So important dates यहाँ जैसे mention किया था, the announcement कब commence करेंगे April 8th को mention करेंगे, the written test and interview will be conducted on during this dates. ये है आपका जो interesting admission है. So this early admit program happens only in Gandhinagar, and if you are under within the top 5 ranks, then you are eligible to apply, and also your institute should be in the select institutes list that is provided by the IIT Gandhinagar. So all the NITs also you can see in the select list your institute is there or not. And if you are from IIT, you have CPI not less than 6.0, then definitely you can apply for this program too. And also there is no guarantee you will get an admission. Once you apply it, you will be called for the interview, no doubt, and in the interview if you perform well, then you will be selected for the admission after their after satisfaction of your the performance. Okay, so all the best for your admission. In case if you are eligible for this early admit program, please apply for it and wait for the regular M.Tech applications or procedure, which will happen soon in the next month. Till that, bye. Till that, see you. Bye bye.